Hello everyone, so I've just checked into my last hotel for my Euro trip 2019-2020. Tonight I'm staying at the Renaissance London Heathrow. I've been given room 1712 on the first floor. So here's the key card. Let's go ahead and get the room tour started. Floor plan. To the right, as you enter the room, a couple of light switches together with a slot to insert the key card for the room's power. And that is the view that you get as you enter the room. To the right is the bathroom. With the sink, huge mirror, toilet, and the shower area. Now in this hotel you can choose to either get a room with a bathtub or a room with a shower. I went with the shower because it is much easier to bathe in a shower. The cupboard. With the in-room safe, some storage, ironing board, hangers to hang your clothes on, and more storage above. Right here we have another light switch together with the climate control panel. Right here, tea and coffee making facilities with some glasses and a fridge or minibar, if you will. It is empty, so you can put your own things inside. Another mirror. Part of London in a picture. Another mirror. And below is a place to put your luggage with storage beneath it. Right here is the bed, which does look quite comfortable. On either sides, bedside tables with lights and light switches. On the left side, you have a couple of plugs as well. And on this side, you have a drawer together with the in-room telephone. Flat screen Samsung TV. Desk area with a light. And yet another mirror. Hello. Sofa with a footrest, and on this side you also have storage beneath the bedside table. Okay, so that is the view out of the window the next day. As mentioned earlier, it is the runway view room, so you can see Heathrow's runway from the room. There are no planes taking off or landing at the moment, so yeah, I guess that's it for the room tour of room 1712 at the Renaissance London Heathrow. Thanks for watching and goodbye.